Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Is your favorite host Crypto Guru. In this video I want to give you guys the current updates about Swapfone mining, right? So the exciting update is that Swapfone right now, we're about 9 months of Swapfone testnet has already passed successfully, and remaining few days in order for us to complete the testnet, and then we're going to talk about the new event that is coming up, right? For many people who have completed their KYC, good luck to you guys, right? But before you can be able to complete your KYC, you have to make sure that you claim every day for 45 days, which is very, very crucial for each and everyone who is mining Swapfone. I know that a lot of people are facing this particular issue, but you just have to make sure that you complete this 45 days in order for you to get your KYC done, right? By using NFTs, right? Claiming your free testnet NFTs. Now, I want you guys to know for the record that those NFTs are for the testnet, right? So if you use those NFTs for testnet, that's fine. If you don't use them, that's fine. But just make sure that your KYC is verified so that when they come to start performing the transaction of USDC or USDS, right, of Swapfone, you can be able to send your own or receive some other tokens as well. Without KYC, there's no way you are going to receive your coins or send to anybody without KYC, right? So you have to know that this particular stage is crucial. Now let's talk about the Swapfone entirely. A lot of people have been asking me, Crypto Guru, do you think this project is legit or not? But the truth is, I don't know, because the way Swapfone are going right now, I don't know. They're always taking time to drop update, not like before. And all the advertisement they've been dropping inside the application just to make money for themselves, it seems like Swapfone is not a real project for me, right? So the only project that I'm expecting right now that they are going to give their community a lot of rewards is Sidra and also Interlink, right? So Pi has already done their own, and I'm here to drop any update about Sidra, Interlink, and also some other minings. Now we are even talking about this particular mining called Verichard are also trying, and then Ethos as well. So even the ICE network currently, they are having a problem. So all our hope is on Sidra and also on Interlink. So these two minings are the one we are expecting that they are going to give us a lot of profit. So if you know you are mining any of them, or if you are not mining any of them, ask me for a link and I'll definitely drop a link for you to join immediately. So let's wait for Swapfone. After 9 months, we are still waiting for them to complete this testnet in order for us to get started of transacting USDS inside the Swapfone platform, and let's see if we're going to make profit. I'm not going to advise anybody to stop or continue, but do what your mind tells you to do about this particular project. This is your boy Crypto Guru. Like I promised, if there's any update about Swapfone, I'll definitely drop it in this channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.